N44 is what's called an emission nebula. It has this bright, glowing gases that you see here. It's in what's called the Large Magellanic Cloud. This image is about 1,000 light years across, so it's a fairly large nebula. This dark void in the center is about 250 light years across, and that is something called a superbubble, an area in the nebula that's been completely cleared out. All around it we have dust and gas at various temperatures, various densities. Inside of that bubble we only have what's called ionized gas. It's very hot gas. One of the puzzles in this image are competing ideas, and they're probably both contributing here. Neither one seems to be the ultimate solution. One is that the winds of stars inside the void, which include high energy, high speed particles coming out from the surface of the stars, pushing material, clearing it out of the center. The other possibility, or the other thing that's probably contributing to the clearing of this superbubble, is supernova. Supernova, at the end of their life, if they're massive stars, explode, which send out both particles and radiation. These particle waves that are coming out can act as a snowplow and basically clear out the void and push it up against this outer ridge that we see here. If these are happening, you should see around this border stars in the process of formation. And in fact, we do see stars there, and they're about 5 million years different in age than the stars that are inside. They have formed later after this compression has happened from the clearing of the inside. It is still expanding, not super fast. It appears that the near edge is coming toward us at about 45 kilometers per second. The far edge is receding at maybe 30, so it's asymmetric, which is interesting. It's moving a little faster on one side than the other. It's called a superbubble because of its size. If we go to smaller and smaller bubbles, they become more and more frequent. To see a volume of space this large that has been cleared out so completely is very rare, and it's super in that way, also super just in size.